This video is to show you how to use assignments in a few easy steps. I'll take you through firstly how to create an assignment that will go live immediately. Secondly, I'll take you through how to schedule an assignment so that it will appear later on and for a particular period of time. And thirdly, I'll show you how to mark assignments online and return them using the feedback feature. In your screen, go into the Assignments tab that's noted at the top. From Assignments, choose Create and select Assignments from the drop-down menu. Give it a title, enter any instructions that might be required, allocate any marks to it, should there be a number of marks. You can add a rubric and upload your resource that you're going to ask the students to use. Now, it is important that you remember to upload a docx, not just a doc, because students can't edit just the old Microsoft Word .doc documents. You have to have the docx version of it. You can, of course, use PDFs, but students have to either convert them or they have to use on-screen editing. Well, that's fine for some students. Other students do find that more difficult. Once you've uploaded your assignment, one of the things that you should look at is the ellipsis on the right of your uploaded document. If you click on that, it gives you options to allow students to edit their own copy. Otherwise, the default remains that students can't edit the work that you set in there. So make sure that you check that box. That way students can online edit it. All right, so once you've done all of that, then you can either assign to your whole class. So this is our class name, how to use assignments. So you can leave it on that if you want it to go to all of the students. Otherwise, click on all students at the right here and select the individuals that you want to complete the task. A tick will appear by their name, and that way you will have a particular group that's it's sent to. If you'd prefer to schedule the task, in other words, to have it released at a particular time, you don't even have to be near your computer to do that. You choose the function down the bottom which says Edit, and you say that assignment will not post immediately by choosing your date that it will be published, the time it will be published, and then the date that it will be due. So you can set it as narrowly as you like. You might even have only just a half-hour window of opportunity, but you get to govern the due date as well as the date that the assignment first appears. Once you've put all the parameters in place, hit the word schedule, and then that assignment will appear for students. Marking student work and following their progress. This is best done by just clicking on the assignment that was delivered. You can see who's viewed the item, so people who have opened it, it appears as viewed. Anyone that's completed the work, it ticks it and says that they have turned it in. And anyone whose status says not turned in, that refers to the fact they haven't even opened the document at any point in time. So you can order those. You can edit your assignment at any point in time. It's not advisable if the students have already commenced it, but if you do choose to do this, edit your assignment, and then when you send an update, it'll alert the students to the change that's occurred. To provide feedback for a student when they've submitted their task to you, you click on their document and select Edit. From Edit, my recommendation is that you pick up Edit in the desktop app, and that way you'll be able to use your on-screen marking to have a pencil and highlight any particular areas and write on it as if it was just a regular piece of paper that had been handed in. In order to mark the student's work on screen, once you've opened up the document, then just move across to Review, choose Start Inking, select the colour of your pen, the thickness of your pen, and then mark it as you would ordinarily, providing the same kind of feedback and detail. Handwriting obviously can be improved if you would like to blow the page up and make it as large as possible, and you would just do that by looking at the view screen and making it across to page width. That's easier for you to provide your feedback.